So in this video, we're going to kind of quickly go over how to sketch or draw the derivative of a constant function. So remember, if a function's a constant function like this one, f of x equals c, a constant, or just some real number, we get a horizontal line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be, for example, the line y equals 4. It needn't be. I don't have any numbers on these tick marks, so they don't have to be numbered in the standard way. But if we assume they are, this is just a line y equals 4. And what we want to remember is that the derivative is just the slope of the tangent lines to a function. And we calculated the derivative by taking the limit as h goes to 0 of the difference quotient. So the f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And we got the difference quotient from just calculating the slope of the line, delta y over delta x. And by letting h go to 0, we're really just taking the limit as the delta x goes to 0 of the slope formula that we learned back in probably algebra 1, delta y over delta x. So because the derivative is the slope of a line calculation, if you have a linear function like we do here, a constant function is a linear function, then the derivative is just the slope of the line. And for a constant function, every constant function, no matter where you draw it, the slope is equal to 0. The change in y is 0 if the function's constant. It isn't going up or down. The delta y is 0, so the slope is 0. So to draw the graph of a constant function, you just simply are drawing the line y equals 0 on the x-axis. So here's the line y equals 0. I'll pop my arrows on the ends, and maybe I'll clean this graph up by tacking on the number line arrows. So there's the graph of the derivative of any constant c. Is just going to be f of x, or f prime of x, because we're talking about the derivative of f of x. F prime of x is just going to be 0.